Hey, this is Ray the Video Guy, and if you've been to YouTube lately, you may have noticed some change. That's not the change I meant. What I meant was InVideo Programming seems to have disappeared. But not really. I'll tell you about it on the other side.
He's Ray the Video Guy, yeah, Ray the Video Guy. His YouTube ninja tricks can make your marketing so sick. He's Ray the Video Guy, yeah, Ray the Video Guy.
Okay, so if you've been to the back end of your YouTube channel, you may notice that the menu option for InVideo Programming is gone. And a lot of people have asked me what happened to it. Well, fortunately, it hasn't really gone anywhere. They've just changed the labeling. They've actually broken it into two categories, one called Featured Content and the other called Branding. And let's take a look at what each of those does. So if you've been in your Creator Studio lately and headed under the Channel tab, you'll notice that InVideo Programming has disappeared from the menu options. Well, that's because they now have two new ones here, Featured Content and Branding. And if we click on Featured Content, inside the Featured Content area, you can have a featured video. Now, this is basically a little advertisement for one of your videos that can run on all of your other videos. So as people are watching video A, then this video B will actually have a little ad for it at the bottom trying to get people to click on it. This actually can be very, very important. I actually have this one here running on all of my videos, and this gets a lot of traffic and a lot of opt-ins because of that. Now down here you have your channel ad. Now this is where you can choose a video to kind of be an advertisement for your channel, but also for YouTube themselves. So in other words, they're giving you a video that they will promote for you free of charge, but obviously it's also meant to promote YouTube in general. So they're basically using your content to be able to say, hey, look what people do on YouTube, and of course you get the benefit out of that as well. So you want to choose a video to be part of a channel ad. Okay, the next tab over here is the Branding tab. Now the Branding tab has two things in it as well. First is a branding introduction, and the second is a branding watermark. Now in the branding watermark, this is the same watermark you had before. In this case, I've got a little subscribe button, and you can choose to have it on the entire video, at a custom start time, or at the end of your video. And of course, you can remove the image that's there, and you can upload another image. So if you have a logo you want to put there or something else, you can upload that by clicking the upload button afterwards. Now, the branding intro, what this is a 3-second little clip that you can have added to all of your videos. So for instance, it could be an animated logo. All you have to do is hit add a branding logo. You can choose, in this case, you can see I've already done this before and I've removed it, this 3-second animation here, and you can see it has to be 3 seconds, and it'll just go in front of all your videos. So literally, all your videos will have your little 3-second animated logo. So that's what's happened to InVideo Programming. It's just broken out into two different sections here, and it's still just as easy as ever to use. So there you go, InVideo Programming now broken up into two categories, and if you notice that each of those categories seems to have a lot of empty space, which could mean that there's other great tools coming soon, and if there is, I'll let you know. Ooh, video guy. A lot of people stomping their feet up there. You may have noticed that. So you may have noticed that in the back end of YouTube that there's something. You may have noticed. You may have noticed that featured videos